Hey there, future investor. Ever heard of the S&P 500 but have no idea how to actually invest in it? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start investing in the S&P 500, step by step, even if your financial literacy is currently Netflix and chill. So, let's jump in. The S&P 500 includes America's 500 biggest companies. Think Apple, Amazon, Google, and yes, even that one company that charges you $8 for a coffee. By investing in it, you're basically owning a piece of the US economy. Alright, first things first. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. You need a place to buy your investments, right? Some solid brokers in the US include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. Or, if you prefer something quick and slick, check out apps like Robinhood or Webull. Here's a tip. If it takes longer to sign up than a Starbucks line at 9 a.m., pick a different broker. Step 2. Fund your account. Once you're in, connect your bank and throw in some money. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. Even Rs4000, Rs8000, or about $50, $100 is enough to begin. Because remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Yeah, Warren Buffett would be proud. Step 3. Choose the right S&P 500 ETF or index fund. Here are a few top picks. VOO. That's Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, SPY, the Spider S&P 500 ETF, and IVV iShares S&P 500 ETF. All of them track the same index, just different flavors, fees, and brand names. Look for low expense ratios. Below 0.10% is golden. Step 4. Place your order. This is the fun bit. Click buy, pick how many shares, or even fractions of a share if you're starting small, and choose whether you want a market or limit order. Hit confirm, and boom, you're officially a shareholder in America's 500 most powerful companies. No suit or MBA required, just Wi-Fi and a little courage. Step 5, stay consistent and be patient. Invest regularly, weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. If your platform allows, set up automatic investing. Because trust me, time plus discipline equals money. Pro tip, ignore the daily drama. The market's like a soap opera. Dramatic, but pretty predictable in the long run. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more smart investing content, and drop a comment if you want a video on best ETFs for beginners or how to retire early without winning the lottery. Links to brokers, ETFs, and tools I mentioned are all in the description below. See you in the next one, and remember, invest smart, sleep better, peace.